I've got another word for you that you will often hear Russian counterpart. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have qəh-və-yi. I'll give you one more tip on that. Qəh-və-yi. Qəhvəyi is brown or coffee colored. Why? Because qəhvə is a loan word from Arabic, means coffee. Qəhvəyi, coffee colored. That is why. Otherwise, you will also hear Russian counterpart of it, коричневый. Коричневый. Now, phrases first. Brown shoes, coffee colored coat. Qəhvəyi ayaqqabılar, qəhvəyi palto. Palto is a Russian word, loan word, palto. In Azerbaijani, palto. Now, why I put over there ayaqqabılar? Here's the thing. Shoes, a shoe, one shoe, a pair of shoe in Azerbaijani is not said in plural form. We can say a pair of shoes, bir cüt ayaqqabı. But if you want to say talk about multiple pairs of shoes, you can say ayaqqabılar. Now, that's why. Brown shoes, qəhvəyi ayaqqabı or ayaqqabılar. You can say coffee colored coat, qəhvəyi palto. Now, let's take a look at some sentences. Sabahkı tədbir üçün qəhvəyi ayaqqabılarımı seçdim. Çünki həm kostyumumla uyğunlaşır, həm də gün boyu rahat qalırlar. Let's see what does this mean. For tomorrow's event, I chose my brown shoes because they match my suit and stay comfortable all day. For tomorrow's event, sabahki tədbir üçün. Tomorrow, sabah, tədbir, event, for, üçün. Qəhvəyi ayaqqabılarımı seçdim. Seçdi. He, she, it chose, seçdim, I chose. Çünki, because, hem means both, but let's see the best way to translate this. Kostyumumla uyğunlaşır. Costume is a loan word. Costume, suit, basically. Uyğunlaşır, matches, they match. Hem de gün boyu and stays all day. Rahat kalır, stay comfortable. Now, next one. Payız küləyi güclənəndə, renkləri solmuş küçədə, qəhvəyi paltomla addımlamaq üçün. Özümü qəribə dərəcədə sakit hissettirdi. I just noticed that you see a few times me mentioning Payız küləyi. You should be in Baku for me to know what I mean here. It's very windy there. Hence the name Sabahkı means that's the old name of Baku, means city of the winds, I believe from Persian. Now, translation for this. When autumn wind strengthened, walking down the faded colored street in my brown coat made me feel strangely calm. Payız küləyi güclənəndə, güc, power, strength, güclənmək, to get stronger, to strengthen. Payız küləyi, the autumn or fall wind. Walking down, addımlamaq, the faded colored street, renkləri solmuş küçədə, solğun, or you can say the other way of saying this. In my brown coat, qəhvəyi paltomla, I am tempted to say palto, Russian version. Addımlamaq, stepping, walking basically. Özümü, myself. Qəribə dərəcədə, strangely, sakit hissettirdi, made me feel calm. Qəribə dərəcədə, dərəcə, degree. To a strange degree, if you want literal translation. Right? Now, today's word was qəh-və-yi, or the Russian version, коричневый. Fun way? Yes. He calls it minimalist. I call it wearing qəh-və-yi every single day. Now, to support in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to check it out because I am giving you Module 1 completely free, including vocabulary of all the modules, including future modules. Module 1 is important foundational module that I highly recommend you checking out, and to be honest, going over it multiple times to nail it down. I'm also having masterazerbaijani.com where blogs getting posted every 10 days since November 2025. Check those out as well because I post there on multiple topics, including language and grammar tips. Otherwise, feel free to come back tomorrow for a new word here. I'll be here until the end of the year as promised. 365 days, every day, new word. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.